Welcome you in today's class, and I am Dr. Sarvesh Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Extension Education, Institute of Agricultural Sciences, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I welcome you all, and we are going through the communication skills, and we have gone through already 17 lectures, and most of the concept has been cleared about the communication skills and what is the communication skills, type of communications, and all the concept has been discussed with you people. And today we are going with the very important lecture, that is on cases. Cases is just situation. Cases means situation. Today we will learn what are the cases, and they are the different type of cases like subjective cases, possessive cases, objective cases. So that is very important. They are the words that must be learned for the student for becoming a good speaker. Grammatical, we talk about the grammatical cases. These are the different three types of cases. Means the cases means case means it deals with the situation, possessions, or likewise. So these are the different case. We talk about number one, that is the subject case. What are the subject case? These are the different examples. The word that deals with the subject case are I. I means that deals with the own self, I self. That possessive, that is the subjective. It is reflection of the subject, means to whom we are talking about. Like the word I, you, he, she, it, we, they, who, whoever. These type of the words are called the subjective cases. Now, the next one is the objective case. What is the objective case? To whom we were denoting, like me, you, him, her, it, us, them, whomever. These are the objective case. And the next one is the possessive case. Possessive case, in that meaning of that particular case, is deals with the possession, means to whom that things is belongs, like my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, their, theirs, whose, whosever. Yes, so these type of the word are called the possessive cases. So these are the three types of grammatical cases that must be known by us. Well, students, we learn about the subject cases. What are the subject cases? The subjective cases, also known as a nominative case. It is used to form noun and pronoun that act as a subject of a verb in a sentence. The subject is the person or thing performing the action. Here are the pronouns used in the subject cases are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, who. This type of the pronouns became used in the subjective cases. Example of subjective cases are likewise that I am going to the store. Here I is the subject performing the action. I am going. Who is going? I is going. So I is performing the action. It is a subject. So in this way, the another sentence is she runs every morning. Who runs every morning? She. So she is doing the running. So that is a subject case. They are playing saucer, means they. Who are playing saucer? They are playing. So they is the subject performing or playing. And who is calling me? Means who is the subject asking about the person doing the call. Who is calling me? Means who is calling me is the subject asking about the person doing the calling. And if we talk the comparison, how we'll see the subjective and objective. Subjective, he is my friend. Objective, I saw him at the mall. He, here, he is used as a subject, him is used as the object. So he is my friend, I saw him at the mall. Him is also used as a object. So this is the comparison. You can understand this, these subject cases. The another cases are the possessive cases. Possessive case, how we can understand? The possessive case show the ownership or a relationship between the things. In English language, we usually form the possessive by adding an apostrophe plus s or apostrophe s or just a apostrophe depending on the noun. For example, singular noun, for most singular noun we add apostrophe s. The girl's book, the book belongs to the girl. So this is the girl after apostrophe s means this book is belong to this girl. It is connecting, it is possessive to the girl. The cat's toy, the toy belongs to the cat. Even if the noun ends in apostrophe s or comma s, we usually still add apostrophe s, like that. James, here the James is the name, it is end with the s, again apostrophe s we can use. So James car, the car belongs to James. Boss's office, the office of the boss. So in this way we can also use the apostrophe s. When still these words are ending with the s, again we will use apostrophe s. So they will show the possessive cases. That is very clear. In the example we can understand how to use the apostrophe s for making the possessive case. In case of plural nouns, if the plural nouns already ends in s, just add an apostrophe. If this plural noun is plural, already ends in s, just add the apostrophe. For like the dog's owner, the owner of the dog. Well, so plural noun. So we understand if the plural noun is already ends with s, just add a apostrophe. Like the dog's owner means the owner of the dogs. The teacher's laws means the laws used by the teachers. So teachers is a plural noun here. Again we can use the after completing the full noun, the word complete like dogs, teachers, then we can use this the symbol of apostrophe s. So this is the difference. And if the plural noun doesn't end with the s, add s. The children's toy, the toy belongs to the children. The men's restroom means restroom for men. So in this way we can understand how the apostrophe s is used with the plural nouns. Now we are coming to the next, that is compound noun or joint ownership. My brother-in-law's car. The car is of my brother-in-law, so we can use apostrophe s. Jack's and Jill's house. They share the same house. Means Jack and Jill's house means the house belong to both. Jack's and Jill's books means each and has the separate books. Jack's, here Jack's, Jack apostrophe s, again Jill apostrophe s, books means each has the separate book. So we can understand this contrast. So how we can use the apostrophe f, that is very clear to you. The compound noun with the plural noun or singular noun. Now we are coming to the possessive noun. In this case we don't use apostrophe s. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. The possessive cases, possessive pronouns don't require to use apostrophe s. They are directly correct. For this book is hers, and if we will write this book is hers, that is the wrong sentence. So with the possessive pronoun we don't need to write the apostrophe s. You can write directly. The book is hers, the book is yours, likewise. This is all. So next again the topic is that is the objective case. What are the objective case? The objective case in grammar refers to the form of a noun or pronoun that is used as an object of a verb or preposition. In English, this mainly affects pronouns like I, me, he, him, she, her, it, etc. For example, as the direct object, she saw him at the store. Correct. him receives the action of saw. She saw he ate the story is incorrect because him is belongs to she. So him received the action of saw. So she saw he ate the story, it is a correct subject. He is the subjective case. At indirect object, I gave her the book. Her is the person receiving the direct object, the book. I gave she the book, it is incorrect. And as number 3, as the object of a preposition. In this case, this gift is for me. Me follow the preposition for. This gift is for I is incorrect. So the right sentence will be this gift is for me. These are the common objective and case and objective and subjectives. You can understand here. This is the given here. Subjective I, you, I, me, you, your, likewise, you, he, she, it, why, they, be, they. And objective cases are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. So in this way we can understand these all the cases. This is all. So thank you. We could learn about the different subject cases and other cases, how we can use in the grammar and how we can improve our grammatically correctness during writing or the matter or speaking. This is all for this. I hope you could understand all the derivatives that we have given to you. The discussions made you to make you more clear about the communication skills. This is all. So here these cases can be practically used. If you will learn the things here, then definitely you will be able to understand how utilization of these cases in different sentences. Whenever we go through the literature, books, you will get these cases and you can easily understand that what type of case is this. Either it is objective, that is subjective, or related to possessive case. So in very short, I would like to convey the message related to cases, and you can learn the things by reading a lot. And there are questions. The questions may be asked to you about the cases, like the write different type of cases in structural grammar. So you can write these type of cases, and for more discussions and for more learnings or more readings, you can follow these 3 books, and followed by another books also in available in the library or different institutions. You can go through them also for learning more about this particular subject or material. So these are the 2 readings, that is Structural Function Studies in English Grammar, edited by Honey and Steam, and Complete English Grammar and Compositions by S.C. Gupta. These are 2 books that can be gone through, followed by their virtual and the another online structure courses are available. So student can go through them also and practice these all type of cases in writings. Whatever you writing, that you must use these cases so that you can become good enough to understand and to use all the words. With this, I would like to thank you. This is all. Thank you. Namaskar.